In this Unity tutorial, I will show you how to make this flash effect on any 3D object. You can even change the color of it, and you can also change the duration. So let me show you how to do it. So right here I have a completely new Unity scene with only a main camera, a directional light, a ground, and an enemy. What we're going to do is right click in the assets, do create, do C# script. I will call this flash color. Double click to open. In here we'll delete the start and update function, and we'll do a public renderer, rend. Here we'll assign the mesh renderer, then we'll make a public color, flash color, which I'll set to color.red. And I'll also make a public float flash duration. I'll set this to 0.1. Then I'll do a private color, original color. Now in the start function, we will set the original color to be equal to rend.material.color. Now we'll create an IEnumerator, which is a coroutine. So we'll do private IEnumerator, do flash. In here we'll set the renderer.material.color to be equal to the flash color. Then we'll do yield return new wait 4 seconds, and we'll wait for the flash duration. After that, we'll set the rend.material.color back to the original color. So basically turns it to the flash color, then waits, and then turns it back into the original color. Now we need a way to actually invoke this function. We'll do a public void flash. In here we'll start off by stopping all coroutines. Then we'll do start coroutine, input do flash right in here, like so. This function up here will just make sure that this function is not executing. Then lastly, we need a way to call this flash function. So we'll do that in an update function. We'll do if input.getKeyDown, keycode .space, and we'll call the flash function. In your case, you would have to call this function when, for example, an enemy is hit or whatever you want it for. Now let's go back into Unity. In here, we'll go to the enemy, then I'll scroll down to the add component and do flash color. Now I need to assign the renderer. This is the mesh renderer in this case. Right here. Right now it's flashing red. Let's check if it works. I'll now press space, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions on how to implement this, just ask in the comments. If you liked the video, subscribe, and have an amazing day.